not about a Lamborghini. It's not about yellow flip-flop, and it's not about a yellow iPhone. Listen, it's about you. Come here. Let me show you something. You don't have to click the link below, because I'm going to give you the value right here in this advertisement. 1, clarity is power. You must know what you want to get what you want. 2, every day I will write down my goals, but I will write those goals in the present. I used to write when I had a 1988 Honda Accord. This is money. I would say, Wesley, you now have a Lamborghini Euros. Wesley, I now have the life of my dreams. Stop wanting and start getting. And number 3, this is the most powerful thing ever here. Come here. Listen, you have to feel as if what you want and what you desire is happening. I know a lot of you right now are broken. A lot of you right now are watching YouTube videos because you're trying to eliminate boredom for your life. But listen, the reason why I'm here and the reason why I manifested my dreams is because I took action, I wrote it down, I got clear, I separated from the BS, the people, friends, family, and I got clear on my goals and I got them. Listen, you can have your goal as well, but you got to take action. Meditation in the link below is free. This is what allowed me to open my mind. Listen, big head, it will open your mind as well to get what you want. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin in the link below. Let's go.